Where the upper kids in?
But they're tardy again.
As always, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have a test today.
We do?
Yeah. That was on Monday.
You did?
Yeah.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
So it's on functions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Well, look, I have a review, so don't worry. Alright, so here's our review question. Pieces of chicken. One, let's say 130, 2, 150, 3, 170, 4, 5. Okay. Here's your review question. Okay, so we have one piece of chicken with 130 calories, right? Mm-hmm. Two pieces of chicken with 150 calories. 3 with 170, 4 with 190, and 5 with 210. Okay, so what we're gonna ask is, what is this rate of change? Rate of change is when you subtract like your output, which is on the right side, and you subtract the second one. Well, you subtract the first one from the second one.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So in this case, if one piece of chicken equals 130 and two pieces of chicken equals 150, we're gonna subtract 150 minus 130. Okay? And I want you to try to figure that out, right?
Okay.
Okay. Try to think.
So it's 20.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So that's your rate of change.
Okay.
And you can even check it by, if you add 130 plus 20, what would that equal?
150.
Right. Okay. Good job. That's your review.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you your test.
Okay.
Here it is. Well, this is the papers, right? Your test. Okay. Good morning.
Hi.
Finally, it took y'all long enough.
What is wrong with you? I just went over you. I handed out the questions, and I'm not about to rewrite it. All right. Y'all look at the paper. Hang on. Can I see my folder, please? Can I see my folder, please? All right, here's y'all papers. All right. Y'all don't even know y'all are doing right.
I got this.
I got this. Look, okay. What is the function?
I don't know this.
No, I know you know it. It was me to think, but I want to know from Daniel. What is rate of change?
4.
4. What is rate of change? Not what is the rate of change for this problem. And no, that is not 4. What? I am so done. I mean, oh my God. This is like pathetic.
See what y'all did? Y'all made the teacher walk out. Y'all seriously. We need some help.
Who should we call? Who can help?
I don't know.
We need Math Man! Oh, look, a shooting star! I don't get it!
Well, that was new.
Alright, Manny, let's do number 1. What is the rate of change?
Okay, I know this. So to figure it out, you have to multiply 30 times 15.
No. Answer. Number 1 is simply 15.
And how did you figure it out? I think you have to subtract 15 from 30. Try it.
30 minus 15. That is 15. Ta-da! 2. What is the initial value?
He's sleeping.
Number 2. What is the initial value?
Apples.
Apples. How are you in 8th grade?
I don't know.
We've been wondering
Because-
for
because-
years.
Actually, Daniel Danilito, number 2 has no initial value. Let's look at the table. Now, if we subtract 15 from 15, Daniel, what is 15 from 15? It's 0. Alright, so Bailey, let's do number 3.
Okay.
If she has worked 9 hours, how much money will she have? Do you know it? No? Alright, well, she worked 9 hours. Now, our first thing right here for the money is 15. So for that, we have to add 9 15 times. Okay, so 9. Okay, 15 nines on here. Alright, so Bailey.
135.
Wow, I think you're a superhero here.
It doesn't take a rocket scientist to add.
One more time and you go into space! That's on the smart superhero live.
Who are you? He's my dad.
It's my brother.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, who are you?
You want the truth?
You can't handle the truth.
Okay, the truth is, he's a math superhero who's here to help us with math so we don't fail at life.
Yeah.
I have that at computer.
I'm done with all of you. Don't even worry about me. I'll quit.
Bye-bye.
Is this a function and why? A function is where one input cannot have two outputs, but two inputs can have the same output. So, let's see, if you had 3 people, Harry, Mary, and Larry. Okay? If Harry weighs, let's say 150. Mary will weigh 135. And Larry will weigh 150. Okay? This is a function because Harry and Larry can weigh the same. But let's say we had the same situation, but then Harry had 2 weights. How would that be possible? It's not. That means it is a function.
Alright, and now we're going to look at number 1 again. So, if you remember when we did 30 minus 15, we had gotten ding, 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 bang. Alright, and so when we're going to look at number 2 again, which of course, this is simple. 15 minus 15. 0. Now, children, I must go. There is a kid in New York City that needs to solve his square roots. Out of the way!